Kyle, Coach said he felt the intensity was better tonight, even on the second night of a back-to-back. How do you explain that?
Uh, he challenged us, the starting five. He challenged us big time, and I think we responded tonight.
You guys did get off to a better start. You kind of yo-yoed with the lead back and forth, but at the same time, you come out with a win after letting the lead slide a little bit.
That's a tough team down there, man. You got to tip your hats and respect the way they play. For us, we got to find ways to be hungrier and close games out. But we tip our hats to them because they really battled back and really made the game challenging. And they could have just gave up. But that was a well-coached team, a well-hard-played team.
What do you think got Jonas going tonight? It seemed like he really, had a terrific game.
Man, he was trash. Oh, hey, JV, hey. No, I think he's just getting better, man. He just his ability the ability to rebound the ball. The way he's finishing. He's been tough. And he's just getting better as he's getting older, getting through the grind of the season. He's just getting a lot better.
You guys, I don't know if you were aware or if anybody's talked about it, the fact that a win tonight combined with a Knicks loss would clinch a playoff spot. You guys have done your part. Have you guys talked about that at all? I know there's scoreboard watching going on.
I said that, before the game. I said, look, we can take care of I take care of our business tonight, and we can't count on nobody else, but we can take care of our business and our part. But but I ain't gonna lie. I think everybody's rooting for that Western Conference team over there.
And you also got a break. Brooklyn lost again tonight. Another overtime game.
We can't worry about those other teams, man. We still got we control our own destiny, and when you start worrying about other teams is when you lose focus. And I think tonight we did a good job of focusing on our team and not worry about nothing else.
It's better to have them lose than win, I guess.
You know what? It's always good to have them lose.